Welcome to my channel, Marvel Fashion Trends. Please like and subscribe to my channel. You make ordinary moments magical. You are my heart's greatest joy. Love is the bridge between two hearts. With you, every day is Valentine's Day. Your love is my safe haven. You are my today and all of my tomorrows. Love is not finding someone to live with, but finding someone you can't live without. In your arms, I found my home. I love you more than words can express. You are the best part of my life. Loving you is effortless and beautiful. You make my world brighter. You stole my heart, but I'll let you keep it. Every love story is beautiful, but ours is my favorite. With you, my heart is complete. Love is when happiness is seeing you smile. Your love is my greatest gift. You complete me in every way. A life without you is incomplete. Your love is the melody of my heart. You're my sunshine on a cloudy day. I love you to the moon and back. You are the missing piece to my puzzle. I choose you, today and always. You're not just my love, you're my best friend. Love is not about perfection, but about acceptance. Every moment with you is a treasure. You are my sweetest addiction. Together is my favorite place to be. My heart beats faster when I see you. You're my forever and always. Love is when you look into someone's eyes and feel at home. Love grows stronger with time. Your love is my greatest blessing. Loving you is the easiest thing I've ever done. Falling for you wasn't a choice, it was destiny. Forever is not long enough with you.